I know that video was super long, so I'm not going to add any Sora stuff to the end of it. I'll try to make a video soon with the Sora stuff added to it, but I'm really, like, I'm apologizing. I'm looking through it now, and I really want to put it up. But I'm like, wow, the lighting is so bad, and my hair looks like so bad. I actually went and fixed my hair, so this is what it's supposed to look like now. Because of the bad job I did on it, and because it was just unruly, you know, I changed the style a little bit. This is what I'm supposed to look like. Okay, and I was not supposed to look like that windy mess there. So, that's just me saying that. I don't know for what reason. Maybe for my own feeling better reasons, but yes. I'll put that video up, and I'll try to make another entertaining one soon. Alright, bye guys. Kind of the pits right now. It was getting really long, like in the front, because I'm trying to let the back grow out. So I trimmed it, and it just being so uncooperative. So it's a little shorter than it should be when it does have to settle down. But oh well, hair grows back. I actually haven't made a video since Sunday because even though the Geeks episode was put up on Tuesday, it was actually made on Sunday. So. Long time no see, I guess. I do have a few more clips from Florida. They're mostly of the baby. I might add them to the end of this video. But yeah, I've just been recovering from the plane trip because I really just love flying, and it's very stressful for me. So anytime I have to fly, I'm usually like, that day. So yeah, I was recovering and stuff. Get Sora's dad addicted to WoW, and we're leveling pandas together. He's got a panda mage, and I have a panda warrior, so yeah, I made yet another character. We are on Azure Mist. We are part of the Nerd Herd Guild, which is a pretty cool guild so far, but a lot of people have left it. Like, the day that we joined, like, 3 or 4 people left. I don't see a problem with it. I think it has a problem with it. Sorry if it's a little dark, but I don't have a coat on and it's windy, so. Okay. So, anyways, I suppose you probably would like to hear about some more stories. So, I'll stand in front of the window of the kitchen and tell you, and I'm sorry if my hair looks like poo. Really sorry. But anyway, so, Panda. I complain to you about this terrible WoW etiquette all the time. Well, here's another one. Alright, level 2, you have to go fight this guy across the bridge, right? Someone tried to kill steal me that early. That early. And then the same girl kill stealed me twice, so I started avoiding her. So, like, within, like, an hour of playing 3 kill steals on a new character, holy crap. Like, Steven, yeah, his name is Steven, but his name's Kosh. Just call him Kosh, okay? The reason I call him Kosh is his nickname, and we already have a Steve on the show. So saying Steve and Steven would be extremely confusing. But if I say Steven, like, I mean Kosh, okay? Okay. Because apparently I'm not going to stop messing that up. Well, anyway, he was like, that's so weird. I haven't encountered any of that. So what I'm figuring happens to me is I'm the one that, like, seems to somehow catch all that stuff, and extremely weirdly enough, I actually get invited to guilds super fast. Like, I'll have 3 guild invites in, like, anywhere between 5 and 20 minutes whenever I'm actually, like, on a place where guilds can, like, find me. So, that was weird. But luckily I didn't have to sift through guilds this time, because the first one that invited me was super cool. So, woohoo! So yeah, and I learned something new. Look at me. I'm just saying great words today, aren't I? Anyways, the 4th person that kill stole me, I finally lost it. I whispered them, and I was like, oh, so rude. And they're like, what? What'd I do? And I was like, Every time I try to get an item, you keep taking it. Because, like, literally, I'd be standing in front of something, getting ready to do it, and he would take it. So I'd have to wait for it to reload. Like, every time. And he's like, I couldn't see you. And he's like, wait, you're on a different server. I was like, what? Because I do know that people with stars beside their names are on a different server. But I didn't exactly know how that worked, because apparently I've done it too whenever my friend from a different server has invited me to a group. So, from what he says, here's how it goes. You are cross-realming. You can see the people in your realm, but you can't see the people in the server's realm. So, all the time that he was stealing from me, he couldn't see me. So, or she. I have no idea. If it's a she, and you, like, watch this, and you know what I'm talking about, you know, it was near the painting monkey crap. In the wind section of the panda stuff. But, yeah. So, from what she has said, they can't see other players. So, when people are doing stuff like that, they actually can't see you. So that makes it a little more excusable, but then it makes me look at Blizzard and go, Blizzard, shouldn't we do something about this? If you're going to transfer somebody to a different server, kinda, for temporarily, why don't you let them see who's on that server so that they're not kill-stealing accidentally? Because that makes some people feel really bad. So yeah. Now the people without stars beside their names, I'm pretty sure they were doing it on purpose. But I had 2 people with stars beside their name do it to me yesterday, and I just excused them. I was like, okay, I actually thanked the person for the information they gave me, because it was helpful. It helped me to calm down a little bit and not think the entire world is rude. Because, you know, I was starting to believe that. I was like, I love WoW, and I'm going to continue to play it. But, man, there's some rude people, you know. But, no, some of them just legitimately can't see you. And if he's feeding me a line of crap, or she's feeding me a line of crap, and I look like an idiot right now because you guys know more, okay, fine. I'll note that, but you got to remember that I'm really new and there's some things that I just don't know. And when it comes to server crap, I really, really don't know. So, no, I'm going to take what everybody says open-mindedly. But, yeah. So, that's my little panda experience. We joined the Alliance because he likes the Alliance, but Stormwind is extremely confusing. Orgrimmar is not like that at all. I mean, it is a little confusing, but it's more open, so, like, you have the chance to, like, try to figure stuff out. There's so many, like, closed corridors and stuff on Stormwind. Holy crap. Holy crap. So, I'm getting used to that. And somebody was, like, on the server, was, like, on the panda part, was, like, if you don't join Horde, you're a disgrace to our race. And I'm sitting there going, technically, there is one panda, like, well-known panda on Horde, and the even more well-known panda, Chen, he's Alliance. So, no, that's why they make them a neutral race. No. Silly people, if you want to roleplay, go to a roleplay server. Don't, like, make everybody feel bad. Don't put it in a general chat where everybody can see. So, yeah, that's me. I have skinning as a profession, which is really new for me, but it's really high so far, because, you know, I'm going around leveling, and then I'm skinning wolves, skinning bears, whatever. I was really happy that you couldn't skin murlocs, because I was going to be a little bit disturbed if you could. But, anyways, I'm sure I could go on more and more and more, but, like, I feel like I'm messing up a lot in this video, so I'm going to put this video to a close. But I'm going to start asking you guys some questions in my videos when I remember, just to be, like, keeping you guys interactive with me, because I really like to talk to you guys. I know I'm sometimes a couple days late answering comments, but I'm actually a really, really shy person, so it takes me a lot of courage to start, like, answering comments, even though I really, really appreciate every comment. So, my question for today is, if you play WoW, what is your favorite race? If you don't play WoW, what is your favorite fantasy race? Okay, well, I guess that's it for now. I will talk to you guys later, and I hope you all have a lovely day. I'm going to go fill out some more job applications and probably play my troll. Alright, bye!